In this video, we introduced the new Sandbox platform and how to go about using it. Existing cloud customers may be familiar with demo instances. Sandbox is the new name and brings in extra functionality whilst giving you the ability to test out vintrace features against an isolated copy of your production data. To begin, log into your production instance using your existing credentials. Click on the Help menu and Use My Sandbox. From the new interface, you can click on the Account drop-down in the top right and Use My Sandbox. Depending on your browser settings, you may get a pop-up blocker prompt. Be sure to allow the pop-up. After allowing, you may need to click Use My Sandbox again. A new page will load with either your Sandbox instance or a login prompt to start your Sandbox instance. In this case, we get a login prompt as our Sandbox is currently offline. It's a good chance to take note of the customer code. You will find this useful if you ever lose your bookmarks. Your customer code is the three-letter code you see when logging into your production instance and after the / in the URL. Both local administrators and normal users can log in to start the Sandbox. Here we log in as a local administrator. As an administrator, you get features to refresh the Sandbox as well as start it. You can log out of the admin interface using the Sign Out button in the top right corner. Logging in as a normal user automatically invokes startup of the Sandbox, as demonstrated here. The user will be presented with the waiting screen almost immediately, indicating the Sandbox is getting started. Whilst waiting, the user has the option of entering an email address and clicking Notify Me. Once the Sandbox has started, a new page will load, indicating the startup is complete, and redirection to the Sandbox pages will automatically occur. Because we selected to be notified, a new email will appear in the user's mailbox with a direct link to the Sandbox. We can proceed to log in using the same credentials as production. Note that you don't always need to get to the Sandbox via the production instance links. Going direct to https://sandbox.vintrace.net /your customer code demo will take you to either the login page to start the Sandbox or your Sandbox directly if it's online. Thanks for watching this short tutorial on how to use the Sandbox platform. We hope you find the features useful. For any issues or feedback, please drop a note to support@vintrace.com.